So why I just went outside to get my tostadas. I'm about to bust those down right quick. I went outside and I saw that I had a package in front of my door. And then when I came and sat down, I realized that I got an email. Like, it popped up on my screen that my package was delivered. And I'm going to see when this package was delivered because I know it wasn't delivered today. Today is Sunday. Oh, come on now, Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure I saw this package. I'm pretty sure I saw this package either Friday or Saturday outside. And it was face down. I can only see white. I didn't see the label or anything. So my order just came in. I'm going to take this out because this didn't come with the order. But I never showed this. I'm going to show it. So I got my order for my butter. And I'm so excited. Look at this. This is so cute. Ooh. Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Mask. It's so nice. And I got my card. The last one didn't work, but you know, try it again. So I picked up 2 of the Chebe hair growth strengthening butters. It says extra moisture. And this is a black owned brand, woman owned brand. Y'all know I'm a feminist. So I ordered that, and a little while ago I ordered the what is this? The hair growth oil. It's a Ayurvedic hair oil with calendula and rose. So got that's what it looks like. I got 3 of those because you know oils don't really last around here. But I like the way the oil smells, so I'm gonna smell this. Oh, this smells like, oh my goodness, what is the name of that? I'm gonna get it. Hold up. I'm gonna get it. Now I'm gonna have to Google it. There we go. Got it. I had to Google it. It smells exactly like the Camille Rose Algae Renew, the deep conditioner. Oh my God. I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna love the hell out of it. Oh, it's like pretty much a butter. Like, this is it's a butter. It's a solid, and then when you, oh yeah, my hair is definitely gonna like this. All my twist outs are going to be luxurious. That's what it looks like. I can't stop smelling it. Oh yeah. See these curls are starting to look a little dry. It's gonna be tonight. So yeah, thank you for that. This is not sponsored. I actually purchased this, but falling in love with the brand. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my new black owned, woman owned brand find, and check them out. I'll leave all of their information linked down below. Thank you guys so much for coming back, watching, liking, commenting, sharing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.